Welcome Czech learners! In this video you are going to learn the Czech alphabet and we start right now. Hey, if you want to have one-on-one Czech lesson with me or another great tutor from the italki, just click on the first link in the description below, buy some credits and book a free time slot. Now let me pronounce all the letters from the Czech abeceda. And after that I will focus on the most weird characters that may need some explanation, so be sure to stay tuned. A. Alpy. A. Skála. B. Banán. C. Cesta. Č. Činka. D. Dovolená. D. Ďábel. E. Eskimák. E. Éra. F. Fyzika. G. Gravitace. H. Hrom. H. Chroust. I. Irsko. I. Fík. J. Jablko. K. Krokodýl. L. Louka. M. Máma. N. Nos. Hey, if you find this video helpful in any way so far, consider clicking that subscribe button so you get more Czech related videos next time. And let's continue. Eň. Ňouma. O. Oko. O. Gól. P. Polštář. Q. Kvido. R. Rak. Ř. Řepa. S. Stanovat. Š. Šťáva. T. Tulipán. Tě. Pouť. U. Unést. U. Úpatí. U. Stůl. V. Víra. Dvojité V. Wi-Fi. X. Xylofon. Y. Vypnout. Z. Zima. Žet. Žába. Now, what are the characters with the weird symbols above? First, let's focus on the dashes. Čárka. A, E, I, O, U, I. Well, the dash above the vowel makes it sound longer. Now take this word, vana. No dash, the sound is short. Vana. Now compare to this word, váha. Dash, long sound. Váha. In other examples, víno, údolí, sérum, máma, and so on. Now there is also a little circle above the letter U. This also means that the sound is longer. Stůl. Now, where is the difference between the U with the circle and U with the dash? Actually, it's very simple. The pronunciation is totally the same. But the U with the circle is always in the middle of the word. Like in the word stůl or kůra and so on. The U with the dash is always, with one exception, but don't worry about that, in the beginning of the word, like údolí, úřad, and so on and so on. And finally, there are characters with this little hook, which is called háček in Czech. The háček takes place above the consonants Z, S, C, R, D, T and N. And it makes them sound totally different. J, sh, ch, r, j, j and ñ. Whew, what a tongue twister. As you can see, it makes it sound softer. Z, j, s, sh, and so on. Now look at these words. Záda, žába, car, čára, nos, ňouma, straka, šiška. Now stay with me because this is kind of important. The H can also be above one vowel, e. We can pronounce it either je or e, depending which consonant is before the vowel. Now this may sound a bit unclear, but let's look at the examples. The first case, compare these words. Veka, věk, pesto, pěst. Well, that was the case where we pronounce it je. Now let's have a look at the second case. In this case, the e with the hook is after the consonants d or t. And in this case, we pronounce it e, but the d and t is changed into j and j. Again, the best way is to see the examples. Tělo, těsto, tětiva, dělat, dělo, děcko. Now there is one last bonus pronunciation thing I would like to share with you, but before that, find the 3 seconds and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Now, not only the H can make the letters D and T sound like J and J. This superpower has also the letter E. Compare these words. Tykat, tikat. Dobrý, dítě. See? Told you. Now another examples are divadlo, ticho, soudit, or tisk. Cool. Let me know in the comments if you have anything unclear regarding the Czech alphabet. I would try to explain it there. Okay, and now I would like you to watch the video how to pronounce this letter, R, because it is not that easy. So see you in that video or another one next time. Ciao!